We're going to continue here with working with intercepts, and we're going to extend calculating intercepts to actually graphing using those intercepts. So the calculating of the intercepts does not change. That process is still exactly the same as it was. So if I want to find the x-intercept, I'm going to make y 0. So I'll have 3.5x plus 7 times 0 equals 14. That leaves me with 3.5x equals 14. So I go ahead and do this division, and I believe I should get, what is that, 14 divided by 7 has 14 times, I should get 4. I get x equals 4. So I have the ordered pair 4, 0 as one of the points I'll use to graph here. If I want to find the y-intercept, I make x 0. So I have 3.5 times 0 plus 7y equals 14. 7y then is equal to 14. Divide both sides by 7. I get y equals 2. So I have the point 0, 2. Now in order to graph a line, all we technically need are 2 points, and we have those right here. So 4, 0, I count out 1, 2, 3, 4 on the x-axis, and then 0, 2, I count up 2 on the y-axis. And from there, I can connect those 2 points. And I'm just going to count back a little bit here so I can draw a decent enough line. And we connect them, and we're done with our graph. That's all we'd have to do there. Get the x-intercept, get the y-intercept, and connect the 2 dots. So as you can see, the calculating of the intercepts is still the same. You can take a look at another example here. Now the slight difference with this one is it's not quite in standard form. So what I would do first is make sure it's in standard form. And to do that, I would add 2 to both sides. I would get x is equal to 4y plus 2. And then I would subtract 4y from both sides. I get x minus 4y equals 2. So now that's in the form we're used to using here. X, the x term, the y term equals the constant term. And we're ready to calculate our intercepts. Again, the x-intercept, we make y 0. This one's actually the easy one on this one because 4 times 0 is 0. We get x equals 2. So the 2, 0 is one of our intercepts. The y-intercept, we do the same thing as before. We make x 0. 0 minus 4y equals 2. Negative 4y is then equal to 2. We divide both sides by negative 4. I get y equals negative 1/2. Y equals negative 1/2, so I the ordered pair 0, negative 1/2. So I have the 2 points that I need to graph. All I need now is to plot them. 2, 0 is right here, and then 0, negative 1 is right here. And from there, we connect those 2 points with our line, and we're done. Got the standard form, intercepts, graph. That's all it is. So if we summarize this, the first thing we'd have to do, the first thing we'd have to do is get equation in standard form. And remember, that is something x plus something y equals a constant. So once we have the equation in standard form, We calculate the intercepts. Okay, we make x0 to get the y-intercept. And we make y equals 0 to get the x-intercept. Guess I forgot to write the word get there. Get. Okay. And our last step then would be to plot the two intercepts and connect them with the line. Same process for all of these. That's all we got. That's all you have for your video tonight. We'll practice some graphing during class tomorrow.